on this episode.
Today is a really huge day for us, you guys, because what? We are shooting the merch!
Yes, you heard it first. The Fab Life merch is ready to be dropped.
Yes!
Foil. Okay, you guys, just trust the process. Sean is doing his thing. Make sure that we are getting together.
Yeah, well, and then do this just one more time. Yeah, yeah. Cool, stop right there. Yeah, and then shift, yeah.
So today we are at Dr. Alex clinic, and you guys, finally, I'm gonna be cracking my back.
Let it go. Sink it down.
Oh my God. My God. Hi guys.
Good morning.
So today is gonna be a really
It's okay.
All right. So today is a really huge day for us, you guys, because what? We are shooting the merch.
Yes, you heard it first. The Fab Life merch is ready to be dropped.
Yes.
Once we do this, literally a couple days, bam, it's all done.
I am so excited. So of course we flew out Sean from Chicago. I'm gonna show you the pictures that he took of us already. But he is amazing. He took my birthday photos. Like, Sean is amazing, and so I cannot wait. We're literally playing arts and craft. So today we want to give like a background of a foil paper.
I know. It sounds crazy.
It sounds crazy,
trust
but
the
we're
process.
gonna show trust the process.
You don't leave me hanging. It's tongue exercise.
Trust the process, okay? So we have the studio for 2 hours, and then we're gonna shoot some street content, and then we're gonna go see my baby Winnie.
Yes.
So I can't wait to show you guys behind the scene of our shoot for the Fab Life merge. I am so excited.
All right, you guys, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right,
Mwah.
see you in a bit.
Mwah.
As I was saying, foil. Okay, you guys, just trust the process. Sean is doing his thing. Make sure that we are getting together, and it is coming along.
So you guys, we are at our shoot. We are sweating. We are trying to get this content down. I'm gonna put this right here so you guys can see. We literally only have a short amount of time, but we're gonna
and then do this just one more time. Yeah, yeah. Cool, stop. Yeah, and then shift, yeah. Alright, shift over. Yeah. That looks good. In the portion, like, yeah, there we go. Love that. Yeah. Good. Keep bringing yourself down, Shannon. You're really following this. Yeah. Perfect. Imagine the stomach. There we go. Love that. Shannon was great too. Yeah. Gotta come down, Shannon. Yep. Nice. Yes. Love that. Nice. Love that. Oh my God. That's cute. Yeah. Forge. Yeah. Perfect. Beauty girls. I'm managing down just a smidge. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh, I love that. That's nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Stay. Strong. Love it. Cool. That's cute. And Fab Lifers, it's the grand doll, Sean Andrew. You know, I'm slaying this shoot for the dolls. And they're messing up my cameo, but I set up this whole backdrop, I shipped it, and it looks so good. Ooh, just wait till you see it.
It's a wrap.
Although
We did okay to the end of the road.
Minimum which road? Because it's not a road.
I was trying to find the key.
I was going high.
Whatever.
Let's go low.
Whatever.
Okay, got it.
Moving on.
Hey.
To the side.
Ah.
Got a piece of the pie.
Period.
Don't burn.
Period. You guys.
Just don't burn.
You guys, it's a wrap. We did an amazing job. I cannot wait for you guys to see this merch. I hope y'all buy it all up because, honey, it was no joke. Take pictures, okay? I love you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the merch. Period. So we are here getting all the merch to you guys. This is not even half of it. We've already done so many and we have a lot more to go. And Shan is here, looking as gorgeous as always. Yes. So yes, we are here.
Our first delivery for our merch. And Winnie is in this moment. She is so...
Hey, Wings. Ah!
She has been a big support, you guys.
Yes.
I feel like this is a huge moment. Friends that slay together, win together, get money together.
They grow together
It's a
and
team.
they glow
It's a team
together.
and glow together.
Period. That was Case Skin Glow. Yeah. Ow.
Good morning. Oh my God, you guys, today is gonna be an amazing day. Last year, I'm gonna put it right here, we did Jay-Z and Beyonce, and now this year, everyone's like, why don't you change it up and do something sexy, do something. So we have something up our sleeves for a man and a woman, but we will change it up and do something sexy. And Sean is going to be shooting this amazing content. So I'm so excited. We're about to have hair on her chest, everything, and I'm going to show you the before and after pictures of the shots that we are about to take for today. So hair, flawless hair is going to be slaying my hair. Literally, she gave me the inches, y'all. I'm going to show you the wig, but it's literally past like my bum area. Well, and I'm tall, I'm 6 feet. So she literally, and the hair feels absolutely amazing. So her hair is the reason why my hair is gonna be slayed in Normani. Obviously, Amanda gonna be Cardi B. Amanda look a dead stomp like Cardi B. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I slayed. It took me about 30 minutes. The hair is absolutely beautiful, like literally. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Stay tuned. Today is about to be amazing, and I'm gonna take you guys on a day of access being granted behind the scenes of our Halloween shoot, Cardi B and Normani. This is where it came in. Oh my God, look at this. It's given very much a yearbook. This is so cute. And I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna open it. Look at that. Look at that. It's just giving beautiful. You can't sit with us. Look at that. The cutest thing ever. So look at the hair. This is the hair. Oh my God, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's giving length, it's giving inches. I love it so much. So I have literally prepping the hair right now. I literally turned my kitchen into a hair salon, and then I'm about to lay it. You guys already know that I lay my hair the bomb diggity, so I'm about to lay it. Right before the shoot, it says my bundles cost more than your fit, period, because it's that expansive bomb here. I love it. So I'm definitely down below. I'm gonna send you guys the link, and you guys will see how it lays. It is absolutely beautiful, and my skin has been looking flawless. I'm gonna come with a YouTube video and show you guys how I got my skin this way. I'm so excited. Today's about to be amazing. Amanda comes back in like an hour, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it on now. I'm gonna take a shower, do my wig cap method, and lay this wig. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. So you guys, are you guys ready? We are going to be slaying this Halloween, baby.
And guess what we're gonna be?
I already told them.
Oh, when? Oh my God, you didn't tell me?
I was inside the house and I was like, you know what, since Babe's here, let me show them the wig and stuff.
Okay, yeah, so as you guys know, we're gonna be Cardi B and Normani.
Period.
On our wild side ting. And guess what? The only outfit that we're gonna be wearing is long hair, long nails, and case skin, honey. Y'all better get ready. Ow.
Ew. And get into it. You guys never see me wear a green eyeshadows because she had that on and I slayed my face. Period. Look at that. Look at that eye. Look at that eye. And baby did hers.
Let me get into this light.
Let me get into this light, girl. Yes. Catch that light. Catch it. Look at that face. Yes, girl. Look at that. Ooh, child. Ooh, don't. Ooh. It's kind of blurry. Ooh, chill. Don't blind me now. Oh my God. This LA traffic is ridiculous. So I can't wait. We're heading to the studio now to meet Sean for him to slay us for this Halloween looks. I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you this lace because this lace is laying, honey. It's giving scope.
Absolutely.
Oh yes. Okay, y'all. Well, I'm gonna show you.
When we get there.
Yeah.
When we get there, we gonna show y'all what we doing and how we gonna do it.
Yeah, because this traffic is kind of scary. Look at LA traffic right now. Jeez. Wow. Okay, see you guys soon.
Public service announcement. I would just like to say that anything that you guys seen from me, anything that you've seen from me is absolutely ghetto, okay? It's not me, it's a clone. Oh, there we go. It's not me, it's a clone. Don't mind the hair. It's not me, it's a clone, and it's sabotage. Pure, utter sabotage, okay? That wasn't me. Anything that you see, it is all lies, smoke and mirrors.
Wait,
Liza Minnelli.
can you guys please tell Sean that it's okay to be like that on your birthday? Please, because honey,
Liza Minnelli.
my love, I was just like that.
Liza Minnelli, lies.
And Cardi B.
Is Cardi B given or not?
Yeah. Normani.
Cardi.
You gotta give me some more Cardi. It's giving me cat. It's giving me a kitten.
Okay.
Yeah, I need some more Cardi B. Like, yeah. And on deck, we got the case skin for the oil.
Alright, well, give me Normani. What Normani do?
I wanna drive it crazy. Baby.
Come on, body. Come on, body. Come on, body.
I'm ready to pull up. I'm ready to do it.
Don't play me.
Yo, don't play with her. Don't play with her. Come.
See, okay, we have to practice. Okay, let's go. Access has been granted. Let's go. Of course, and that's a wrap.
We did it. I can't wait for you guys to see greatness.
Ooh, that's that shit. Got you right in. Ooh, that is a wrap, y'all. I am so excited. It's about to be amazing. I love you guys. I can't wait to show you guys everything else. Mwah. Fab Life Gang. Oh my God, good morning. So today we are at Dr. Alex clinic, and you guys, finally I'm gonna be cracking my back. You guys know how much pain I have been in. Literally, I seen him on Instagram. I'm definitely gonna show you guys every single clip right now, and I'm so excited. Literally, you guys can feel that I'm like shaking and nervous because you guys, my spine has been, you guys know I have been in the hospital. It's been like crazy, like from me being shot one leg shorter, so you know that's already an effect on my spine. And then now being in the hospital due to a tear in my spine, I'm just like, I have to come see this doctor. And then I seen him on Instagram, and he did one of my girls back, and I was like, oh my God, I have to get him to do my back. And so he answered and I'm like, hey, I would love to post a video and film for YouTube. Do you mind if you can crack my back? And he's like, yeah, come in. Literally. So I can't wait to introduce him. He is awesome and he is good vibes, good personality. So I can't wait to crack my back for today. It's about to be amazing. Can't wait. And so this is Dr. Alice.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the office.
He is gonna be the one that's gonna be cracking my back, and so he has some questions for me. So I can't wait.
This is all I eat too. get your greens, guys. Or actually, it's
Zoom
not
in
really
on that.
no greens.
I was like, the green.
I'm like, is that steak?
It's a Rubio's. So
Oh.
Rubio's, we need a sponsorship here, huh?
Okay.
Yes.
Sponsor this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Rubio's.
Yes. Oh my God. Then I ended up like 5 years ago being shot. So there's one leg that's shorter than the other.
You were shot?
Yes.
You just said?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, I was an innocent bystander. It was just at a party,
You just shot. Like,
and
bam.
me and 7 other people.
Wow.
Yeah, I got shot twice. Yeah.
God bless you. Okay.
Thank
That's
you. Literally,
I wasn't
me-
expecting that.
Right. Me just running out, just being like, oh no, there's a fight, and just getting hit from the back. Yeah, me and 7 other innocent bystanders, and most of them were women.
Where were you shot?
So through here,
Holy shit.
so that's where you see that, and then through here, so like at my femur, so I have like a rod in my femur, my hip,
Really?
screws in my knees, and I have a rod, and then screws.
Where's the rod? Here, the whole damn.
Yeah, femur. Yeah.
It's all rotted up.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this leg is shorter than
Yeah.
this leg.
Yeah, that probably throws your whole back off.
So that's where the pain really started. Like after.
Do you have a like is the actual hip?
Yeah, there's a screw in the hip
Wow.
to hold the feet.
Totally. Yeah. Wow, that's awesome.
And then
Is that from the shot or the car accident?
the shot.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is intense.
Right. And then after maybe about like 3 weeks ago, I just did like a little stretch, kind of like over my back like this. And then I heard a tear coming down my spine, and then I was hospitalized for like 3 days, the worst pain ever.
What the hell?
And now I'm like stiff, like I can't really like move that much.
My X-ray pictures back too. People like to take X-rays here.
Your head should be back, a nice reverse curve. So, I mean, that's just normal and healthy.
This is a normal neck.
You're definitely going into that,
reverse curve, just a regular curve.
or just a regular curve, you know? I mean, you're going.
Reverse.
Well, go to your X-ray now.
It's just crazy.
Yeah, it's supposed to go this way.
Oh,
Hers,
wow.
hers is going totally reversed.
And then why
So
do you think
that's
that
bad.
happened?
That's mental, chemical, and physical stress.
Yeah, it's probably injuries, stress, postures, all that stuff.
So that's a bad neck. And then your low back.
Put you in a neck brace today.
Look at that. low right hip, curve, and then this is all rotated over too. You can see those white lines of the spinous processes. Those should be right down the middle.
Wow. You would've
What
never
else?
known. No wonder you're in so much
So is it bad?
pain.
Yes.
It's really bad.
It's not the greatest.
Just needs a little
This
work.
is why you need to be coming in.
Yeah.
Fix you
Okay.
up.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
You know, healing takes time, but you'll be fine.
Wow.
Don't freak out.
So it's something that can be.
Yeah, you can be
Fixed.
healed and fixed.
Oh, look
yeah.
at that. How do you feel? It's good news.
I mean, this is the beginning. This is the start. right
yeah.
here.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
good.
But nervous.
Okay, Shannon's first time.
Yes.
I'm just gonna have your neck a little
Okay.
bit.
You're saying my neck is bad?
Yeah, we took X-rays of her neck, and she needs me. She needs work. You're nervous?
I'm so nervous.
But excited.
I'm just kind of moving you around. Feeling for the spot that's stuck in there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh!
That was perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Scared me. I tried to keep it in. I was like, okay.
That was 12 years of not cracking my back. Oh my god, okay.
12 years, you mean? Are you 12 years old?
Tears are coming down my eyes.
Wait, how old are you? 30? 28? 31? You waited 31 years for that. 12 years. Where's that number coming from?
12.
You crying?
Yes, I'm crying. I'm crying, okay.
Somebody get her a tissue?
It wasn't released.
That was a big one. That was
Ew.
a big crack. Just go to your happy place. Just a little bit. The key is to relax. That was really good. I was like, oh shit, she's quiet after that one.
Oh my gosh.
That was a hell of a start.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
you weren't able to do that.
Oh my
she
gosh,
wasn't.
before I came in. Oh my god. Why do I feel like I'm gonna cry? Oh my god. Wow. And no pain. Oh
That's
my
pretty cool.
gosh.
That's pretty damn cool.
Wow. Oh my god, you're amazing.
Yeah, keep it coming. I like that.
Amazing. Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
yes,
You
girl.
guys have to come in. I'm like this
Sad.
release. Oh my god. Whew.
How are you feeling?
I feel amazing. Like my neck.
We'll see if your low back goes. You know.
Okay.
I'm not gonna go crazy.
Okay.
Just because we're on video, you know what I mean? I want to make sure it's a good one. You seem stiff. You seem tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so the key is to relax.
Okay.
We're just gonna do a light push. God.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that was a huge crack.
It was. Oh
I can't stop laughing.
The scream with the crack. That was perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
I heard it though.
Oh my god.
It sounded like it went like all the way up.
Intense.
I can't stop laughing. What a good release. Have you ever had someone that comes in here and just laugh?
I haven't heard a scream like that in a while. What's going on this side?
Wow. Oh my god.
Look at the front desk. It doesn't even phase them anymore. Literally didn't even. They probably didn't even hear it.
Wow.
This is literally.
I feel amazing.
This is what they hear
That's
all day.
good.
It's like there's just another.
Another-
investment.
Oh my
No more spray.
sorry.
Just
I'm
kidding.
sorry. Ah!
Oh.
Doesn't even phase them. Didn't even phase them one bit.
Oh my god. I feel so good.
I cannot.
Hallelujah.
Right?
Let's go on your back.
Okay.
Do you know where you're at right now?
No. Like I see clouds. Like I feel like I'm high.
I love that.
Is that, can we see that? I see clouds. I feel like I just ate an edible.
Wow.
That was actually deep. Oh, I
Wow.
know.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Let that relax.
Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I feel like I just ate an edible.
We're just gonna check on this here for the. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Am I?
Oh, you're doing
Okay.
fantastic. I'm just gonna breathe. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna bring it inside you. All up in yours.
Okay.
You feel all that stuff?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
breathe in.
Okay.
Just breathe. Let it go. Seek it down.
Oh my
There you go.
god.
Okay.
Oh.
That was a good finisher right there.
Oh, I probably sound so terrible.
It sounds great. That's the sound of relief. Just on a lot of water.
Okay.
Just enjoy that. You might feel a little sleepy and tired, and you might sleep
I
really
feel
good.
high right now.
Yeah, it's amazing. That was an amazing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check out these videos here.
Yeah.
I feel high. Like when he's saying sleepy, I get that feeling because
Yeah.
I feel like I'm like
You're
this.
like just like maybe just a lot of release. It's amazing. Amazing. I didn't know your bones were like that.
Amanda's.
Hold tight. So breathe in. The key is to relax and then on. That probably felt really good.
Ooh.
Yeah, that was really good.
Maybe you should do your neck quickly.
No.
So just relax.
Okay.
You have any ankle problems?
I don't know.
Wow.
Pretty nice, huh?
Wow.
Go on your
I
side.
didn't even know you
facing
could
me.
do that.
I know. It feels good, don't it? We're gonna go light. I promise you. I promise. Just trust.
Okay.
Just trust. It's gonna be okay. A little bit.
Ooh. And she has lower back issues, babe. That was a big one.
You heard it, yeah?
Yeah, that's huge.
Feel it?
I felt it.
Feel good.
It felt good.
Let's go on this side. Watch your hair though.
You always have to do the other side.
I do. I love to do everything. That's just my thing. You wanted to wait till next time. Come on now. Oh my goodness. That was a lot.
Wow, how do you feel?
Fucking amazing.
That was good, yeah. A little soreness is cool.
I could move. Oh, thank you.
Wow, this is awesome. Thank you
No, that
so
was
much.
amazing. Thank you.
Dr. Alex saved the day. I feel so good. I'm going to bring you guys on this journey for the next one. He is amazing. I can't wait until the video drops. I hope not. Love you guys. Mwah.
On the next episode.
And Amanda and Shannon, my name is Juan. Today I'm here to officiate your ceremony.
My God.